Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone and apps are up to date so blocking tools work reliably. Install a trusted ad blocker or DNS app from the official store. If you must sideload, enable permissions briefly and then revoke them. Once done, identify which apps or sites show ads so you can target rules. Make sure to backup settings and note any subscription status. This prevents accidental loss while you change network or app-level filters. Next, configure layered filtering. Enable browser extensions and tighten privacy settings to block trackers and pop-ups. Then set a system-wide DNS that blocks ad domains, or install a reputable VPN-based ad blocker for whole device coverage. This prevents ads in apps and browsers. After that, inspect app permissions and disable overlay or drawover permissions used to inject ads, and restrict background data where possible. To finish, reboot your device and test several apps and websites to confirm ads are gone. Whitelist any necessary services that break with blocking enabled, and monitor battery and performance since some blockers use VPN-like services. If ads persist, clear the affected app cache, reset network settings, or uninstall the app showing ads, often the simplest fix. One key troubleshooting tip: if you still see intrusive ads system-wide, temporarily disable your blocker to identify which app or rule is causing the conflict.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.